Here I have XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, then go to the watermark. So first you will have to enable device watermark, and now you can add your custom watermark. Something like that. And now let's try to take a photo. And as you can see, this photo has our unique custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.